The fire is out, cleanup commencing. Traffic is backed up onto northbound 17. Really slow traffic on northbound 101 and northbound 87 as well. And thanks to Tim of the KCBS phone force, road work already in Petaluma, southbound 101 before East Washington. In the right lane, traffic backed up before Petaluma Boulevard North. Your next traffic update, 8:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Mancini Sleep World 6-day forecast now with Jessica Birch, who joins us from the KPIX5 Weather Center.
Hey, good morning. It's a hot day for us off in those East Inland Hills. The National Weather Service issuing a heat advisory starting at 11 a.m., extending all throughout the afternoon, ending at 8 p.m. Now, this impacts a lot of us. Fairfield, Concord, Antioch, Pleasanton, even up into Santa Rosa areas close to the valleys. Now, as we extend into the afternoon hours, yes, it's going to be triple digits across the board off in those East Inland Hills, but as we extend into mid portions of this week, we will slowly start to cool back down to average just by the weekend. Our inland areas are heating up, but the coast is still sticking around the 70s, with the coast and the bay also sticking in those upper 70s. We're going to keep you updated here in the Weather Center, but for now, I'm meteorologist Jessica Birch with your KCBS KPIX5 First Alert Forecast.
We've got traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time 8:50. Fernie Beyer and Vivian Bosu-Skinner are at the KCBS editor's desk. One sad aftershock of the early COVID lockdown, pet abandonment on a